Also tonight, the fight is not over for civil rights activists protesting the separation of immigrant families at the southern border, even after a California judge gave the government a deadline to reunite them. Eyewitness News border reporter Oscar Margain has more now from McAllen.
But we need to think of the children. I pray for them, for their families.
Community activists gathering in downtown McAllen, Texas.
We came down here to be on the main line in solidarity with our comrades.
In day 4 of a 24-hour fasting and prayer chain
Señor Presidente,
for the migrant children in shelters and their parents in detention centers.
We saw the pictures, read the articles, and we said we got to come down and lend a hand.
38-year-old Tongo Ison Martin traveled from San Francisco Sunday to join other human rights advocates in protest.
It's in absolute solidarity, you know. Because if this is what my people want to do, then this is what we're going to do.
He and others feel their prayers were answered Tuesday night when California Judge Dana Sabrow issued a preliminary injunction blocking the Trump administration from carrying out any future family separations. The order includes a 14-day deadline for kids 5 years old and under and 30 days for children over 5 years of age to reunite with their families. The questions remain regarding cases where a parent is deported while the child is left behind in the care of a shelter.
Leo, ¿cómo estás?
Such as the case with Leo, a boy housed at the Cayuga Shelter for Minors in New York. Leo's mother was deported to Guatemala according to her attorney, Michael Avenatti, who supplied these leaked videos that show upset children.
We don't know what's going to happen.
McAllen-based attorney Carlos Garcia believes the Trump administration could face even more lawsuits if they continue to enforce a zero-tolerance policy for immigrant families crossing the border illegally.
Or let them go through the immigration court process. We know that they're not all going to win. Our laws are not easy. And so the cases are not easy, but just let them go through the process. Don't separate them, don't lock them up.
Meanwhile, those opposed to the president's approach on immigration don't plan to pack their bags anytime soon.
Y vamos a luchar, y vamos a luchar.
In McAllen, on the Texas-Mexico border, I'm Oscar Margain reporting.